Hello everyone, and welcome back to the CEO Nutrition Education channel. My name is Alana, and I am a nutrition educator for the Commission on Economic Opportunity. Today, I will be demonstrating how to make a tasty bean and tuna salad. Before we begin making our recipe today, it's very important that we remember to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds using soap and warm water to ensure safe food preparation. After we've done that, we can gather our ingredients and get started making our bean and tuna salad. Begin by thoroughly washing and drying any fresh produce you will be using for this recipe. We also need to thoroughly rinse and dry our canned goods before opening them. To clean canned goods, simply run them under cool running water and dry with a paper towel. Then, drain and thoroughly rinse canned beans under cool running water. After you've rinsed the beans, you can also drain the water from your canned tuna at this time. Two cups of Great Northern beans. One can was roughly 1.5 cups of beans. One onion chopped. I only used half of a large red onion for this recipe, and it was more than enough. Two tomatoes chopped. Use what is available to you. I only had grape tomatoes in my fridge, so I used about 15 grape tomatoes for this recipe. One 6.5-ounce can of tuna packed in water and drained. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar. 1 garlic clove minced, or about half a teaspoon of already minced garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. Make the salad. In a large bowl, mix beans, onion, tomatoes, and tuna. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, mix oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Pour the dressing over the salad and stir to combine. Serve cold. Refrigerate any leftovers within 2 hours. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment on our post or send our nutrition educators a direct message with any additional questions, comments, or concerns.